Welcome to the Berks County Public Libraries Virtual Reference Desk tutorial. Today, I'll be talking about Pennsylvania's electronic library for kids, PowerKids. This website portal is designed just for kids and offers links to eBooks, videos, articles, images, and other helpful items. You can access PowerKids two ways. Go to the Kids tab on berkslibraries.org, select Homework Help, and click the PowerKids link. Or you can scroll to the bottom of any berkslibraries.org page, click the Power Library icon, and then select PowerKids logo at the top of the screen. From here, you have a number of options to select from based on what you're looking for. PowerKids resources are not available through free search engines, and you'll be prompted to enter your library card. If you're not already logged in with your library card, enter your card number to continue. BookFLIX offers dozens of interactive stories for your child to enjoy, whether it's for a school project or just for fun. They can watch and read along with animated stories or read the accompanying ebook. There are some fun interactive games your kids can play that pair with what they read from the stories. And if you and your child want to dive deeper into the story topic, there are some great resource links you can both explore. PowerKids also has another ebook research tool that revolves around the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about people, places, nature, history, science, and more. That's TrueFLIX. Your child can discover fascinating facts by watching informative video clips and picture-packed ebooks. Use the Read to Me button to have the book read aloud. Gale Elementary is great to assist with homework or answer any question that comes to mind. Find answers and information to hundreds of subjects from animals in outer space to famous musicians and favorite athletes. Your child can explore by topic or find exactly what they're looking for by using the search function. And if they need some guidance on where to find resources for that next school project, they can always chat with a real librarian through the PowerKids portal. The Chat with a Librarian tool is available 24/7. You're connected with a librarian to help with any question. They won't tell your child the answer to that stubborn math problem, but they'll point them in the right direction if they're stuck on how to solve it. Click on your preferred link to open a new tab. In the chat section, enter your name, the name of your library, and your question. Parents, you can get a chat log for your child to use in the future by entering an email address into the optional field. PowerKids can also provide facts and materials just about Pennsylvania. Discover Pennsylvania for Kids is great if they're looking for facts about Pennsylvania like state symbols, state song, and more. PowerKids is a great tool to help with school assignments, introduce early readers to fun read-along stories, or spark curiosity. You and your child can visit berkslibraries.org to connect with PowerKids at any time.